I will guide you through another exercise to grow your glutes. It's called the deadlift. This exercise targets the glute area a lot. Now, I'll have my trainee demonstrate for you. First, to get into the correct deadlift position, your feet should be shoulder width apart. Make sure your heels are aligned and parallel. Everything should be even. Once your feet are positioned correctly, you are in the proper stance. Now, brace your core tightly. Slowly lower your body, push your hips back, keep your back straight, and lean forward. Remember to push your hips back. Keep your upper body engaged and brace your core. Your arms should follow along your legs as you lower down. Breathe steadily throughout the movement. When you return to the starting position, squeeze your glutes tightly and push your hips slightly forward. If you have weights of 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms, or even 5 kilograms, this exercise will be even more effective. The way you hold the weight is the same as this form. Watch closely. From this position, lower the weight down along your legs, reaching towards your feet. The lower you go, the more it engages your glutes. Now, turn around. Stand with your feet wide, just like before. Alright, continue. Repeat the previous movement. Push your hips back as much as possible. That's right. Up. Exhale. Lower and inhale. Squeeze the glutes and exhale. That's it. Lower and inhale. Yes, that's correct. Alright, okay. So, I've just guided you through the deadlift exercise. You can try practicing it at home. Goodbye, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.